Hello everyone and welcome. In this video, we're diving into Git Trunk-Based Development. This is a modern approach to collaborative software development. Let's explore how this strategy can transform the way your team works together. So, what exactly is trunk-based development? At its core, it's a source control branching model where developers collaborate on code in a single branch. This single branch is often called trunk or main. This method avoids long-lived feature branches. The key idea here is that developers commit small, frequent changes directly to the main branch. Alternatively, they might use short-lived feature branches. These short-lived feature branches are quickly merged back into the main branch. This approach promotes continuous integration and faster feedback loops. Now let's explore the core principles that make trunk-based development work so well. First, we have small, frequent commits. Developers commit code in small, manageable chunks. These smaller chunks are easier to review. Also, they are less likely to cause conflicts. Secondly, short-lived branches are crucial. Feature branches should only exist for a short period, ideally just hours or days, not weeks. These branches are merged quickly to prevent them from drifting too far from the main trunk. Continuous integration is another key principle. All changes are automatically built and tested before merging. This ensures that the trunk remains stable and always deployable. Finally, feature toggles are used. Incomplete features are hidden behind toggles. This allows code to be merged into the trunk, while keeping unfinished features invisible to users until they are fully ready. Now let's compare trunk-based development with Git Flow. Git Flow is another popular branching strategy. In trunk-based development, we primarily work with a single main branch, often called trunk or main. Feature branches are short-lived, typically lasting only hours or days. The focus is on continuous integration with smaller and more frequent commits. In contrast, Git Flow uses multiple long-lived branches, such as main, develop, and feature, release, and hotfix branches. This results in more complex merge patterns and larger, less frequent merges. Git Flow is often used in projects with scheduled releases, while trunk-based development is favored for continuous delivery environments. Let's take a look at how to implement trunk-based development in your daily workflow. First, start your day by pulling the latest changes from the trunk or main branch. This ensures you're working with the most up-to-date code. Next, create a short-lived feature branch for your specific task. Make small focus changes in this branch. Before pushing your changes, run tests locally to catch any issues early. Then create a pull request for code review. This allows your team to review your changes and provide feedback. Finally, after the continuous integration process passes and your code is approved, merge your feature branch back into the trunk. Here are some common Git commands you'll use daily. To start, check out the main branch and pull the latest changes. Create a short-lived feature branch. Make your changes and commit them with a descriptive message. Finally, push your branch to the remote repository and create a pull request for review. Let's explore feature toggles and their role in trunk-based development. Feature toggles, also known as feature flags, allow developers to merge incomplete features into the trunk. These features remain hidden from users until they are fully ready for release. Feature toggles enable continuous integration of work in progress. It separates deployment from feature release. Also, it allows for A/B testing and gradual rollouts, and reduces merge conflicts and integration issues. However, feature toggles require careful management to prevent technical debt. Here's a simple example of how to implement feature toggles in your code. Define a feature flags object with Boolean values for each feature. Create a function called showFeature that checks the status of a feature flag. In your application code, use the showFeature function to determine whether to display a feature or not. Now, let's delve into the importance of continuous integration in trunk-based development. The continuous integration workflow starts when a developer pushes code to a short-lived branch. The continuous integration server automatically builds the application. Then it runs automated tests, including unit, integration, and end-to-end tests. Code quality checks such as linting, static analysis, and code coverage analysis are performed. After the code passes all checks and is approved, it is merged into the trunk. Continuous integration helps catch integration issues early and maintains trunk stability. Here's an example of a GitHub Actions workflow file. This workflow is triggered on pushes to the main and feature branches. It sets up the Node.js environment, installs dependencies, runs linting, and executes tests. Let's explore some benefits of using continuous integration in trunk-based development. It catches the integration issues early and maintains the trunk stability. Let's recap the benefits and challenges of trunk-based development. The benefits are faster integration and feedback cycles, reduced merge conflicts and integration debt, improved team collaboration and visibility, simplified release management, and better code quality through continuous testing. However, trunk-based development also presents some challenges. It requires strong testing practices and discipline. Feature toggle management can become complex. It often necessitates a cultural shift for teams used to long-lived branches. There can be a learning curve for breaking down large features, and it demands a robust continuous integration and continuous delivery infrastructure. In conclusion, trunk-based development is a powerful approach that enables teams to deliver high-quality software faster. However, it requires investment in testing, automation, and team practices. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.